Welcome to Nature Way. Let's see how to make ragi and banana smoothie. To the blender, add a fully ripe banana. Adding banana add a bit of sweetness to the smoothie. And then add ragi flour. Here I am using raw ragi, but if you don't like the taste of raw ragi, you can use roasted ragi flour. Ragi is a good source of iron and calcium. And then for sweetness, add jaggery. Jaggery is rich in iron and minerals. And then add any milk of your choice. Here I am using coconut milk as it is gluten-free and it's alkaline. This smoothie is good for blood pressure as it is high in potassium and magnesium and low in sodium. It is also rich in antioxidants and amino acids and provide relief from conditions like anxiety, hypertension, depression and migraine.